Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 10th of April. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court to hear petition to verify votes with VVPAT slips on April 16. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, a court hearing and stools. Ola to shut down in UK, Australia, New Zealand. Focus on India business. Yoga Guru Ramdev's apology to Supreme Court in misleading ads case. Arvind Kejriwal to approach Supreme Court after Delhi High Court setback. Judges not bound by politics. High Court dismissed Arvind Kejriwal's petition. China could not encroach an inch of land under Modi government. Amit Shah. And international news, Russia aborted test launch of Angara A5 space rocket due to technical glitch. Israeli strike drone using sea-borne missile defense system for first time. Google unveiled ARM-based data center processor, new AI chip. Russia, Kazakhstan evacuated over 1 lakh people amid worst flooding in decades. Animals displayed quiet and unusual behavior during solar eclipse in US. March 2024 warmest ever 12-month average temperature reach new record. Earthquake of 6.6 magnitude hit Indonesia, no tsunami alert. And now some sports news. Mohammad Amir and Imad Wasim returned as Pakistan named squad for New Zealand T20s. Tainted Pacer made comeback as Pakistan named squad for New Zealand T20s. Nikhat Zareen and Lavlina Borgohain are India's biggest hope for medals in women's boxing. India start off with the easy win in Billie Jean King Cup. SRH have named Vijayakant as a replacement for Vanindu Hasranga. Business related news, Paytm Banking Unit CEO Surinder Chawla resigned due to personal reasons. Byju's resumed salary payment to employees after 2-month delay. Sensex crossed 75,000 mark in historic milestone for share market. Science related news. AI is emerging as one of the most transformative developments in human history. Astronomers confirmed tidally locked alien world, shedding light on exoplanet mysteries. World's most powerful laser mimicking sun's power tested in Romania. Next, total solar eclipse in 2026. US not to see another one till 2024. And that's all in news. Thank you.